Hello and welcome to Get Creative in the Kitchen. Today's recipe I've called a beginner's chicken curry. If you're new to Indian cooking, this is a super simple chicken curry, or if you're in a mad rush and you need to cook a curry quickly, this is the recipe for you. It's packed full of flavor and is still very, very delicious. So let's get straight into it. So we're going to start by blending our ingredients. I've got some fresh ginger and garlic, some tomatoes, and my onions. And I'm going to blend this to a puree. Here's our beautiful blend. That's going to be the base of our curry. So let's get started with our curry. So I'm going to start by heating a pan up and adding my oil. Once my oil's heated up, I'm going to add my whole spices. I've got a clove, cinnamon and cardamon. Just mix that through for a few seconds till it releases its aroma. Once that's done, we're going to add our puree that we just blended earlier. I'm going to cook this tomato onion blend for about 5 to 8 minutes till it reduces in quantity and the oil comes to the surface. Okay, so as you can see, my paste is completely reduced and it's cooked right down. Now make sure that you take your time not to rush this process. So that's looking good, it's well cooked, so it's time now for me to add my whole spices. So we start with the coriander, cumin, and your turmeric. So those are basic spices. I'm going to add some Kashmiri Chilli powder for color, or you can add paprika. It's not spicy Kashmiri Chilli powder. Mix that through. Now this is a very, very basic, quick chicken curry, the easiest chicken curry you can make, and you can make this on a weekday. You just whip it up in no time. Okay, so this has been cooking for a couple of minutes and I can see the oil on the side starting to release. So it's time now for my chicken to go in. I'm using chicken on the bone. I'm going to add my salt. We're going to mix this through. Okay, so I have been stirring this chicken for about 3 minutes now till the colors change from pink to white. So that's looking good. I'm now going to add a bit of water. Mix that through. About 1.5 cups of water. I'm going to add my chilies. Give that a mix. The Kashmiri chilies are only for color. Look at that beautiful thick gravy we're going to have. Alright, and the lid goes on and we're going to let this cook for about 15 minutes. Okay, it's time to check on our chicken and give it a stir. Oh, look at that. Yummy. Beautiful. Okay, so I'm going to now add my Garam masala. Give that a little mix through. My chicken is not completely cooked, still needs a little bit more cooking. I'm going to add a bit more water. But we've got a lovely gravy happening here. This is the easiest chicken curry you're going to cook. Okay, today I'm going to add some potatoes to my chicken curry. We love potatoes in our house, so I try and include them when I can. Mix that through. So I'm going to add a bit more water, about 1 cup. Lid goes back on till my potatoes are cooked. It's time to check on our chicken curry. Beautiful, my potatoes have taken about 15 minutes to cook. I did open it and check and adjust the water. That is looking really yummy. Okay, so look at the consistency of that gravy. It's beautiful, thick gravy. I'm going to finish this off with some fresh curry leaves. You can use coriander. Mix that through. And there you have it, your beautiful, easy chicken curry that you could cook on a weekday. Now I do have a lot of chicken curries on my channel. I will leave a link below, so go and check them out. Thank you for watching. If you made it so far, subscribe and I'll see you in the next video.